give us a hint of your advocacy.
First of all, congratulations, Misters. And my advocacy is empowering underprivileged youth through skills development. Because as someone who came from the humble beginning, I know the feeling that living in the underprivileged life. I could not pursue college due to financial limitation, and I work at a young age. So I want to help the young people. I want to make them believe that their dreams are still within reach. Thank you.
Ako yung naubusan ng question. Do you want to
know that being masculine is not just about the physical factor. I believe that being masculine, we should also be responsible. And that responsibility is by inspiring the people, especially the youth. If we are masculine, we should also be able to inspire and to leave a legacy that will last in generations. That's all.
Appearance isn't just about being gentleman in the way of the people. You know what I talk about is the stereotypical ideas we know about masculinity, which is we should hide our emotions, we should not be weak. But the real man shows vulnerability and sensitivity, and we should open and normalize open conversation so we can promote that. So we can normalize the sensitivity of men, that we should encourage them. We should not judge anyone how they feel, how they react to something. So for me, real masculinity includes vulnerability, and no one should suffer in silence. Thank you.
Naunahan niya ako to be back here.
Well, the pressure is still the same actually for the 12th edition. Excuse me, my brother. Pero ang masasabi ko lang po is napakagaling po ng mga kabash ko this year. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat.
Is this your first time joining a pageant?
First national pageant.
First national pageant. So why Misters of Filipinas?
Oh my God.
Well, the entirety of Misters of Filipinas with the hashtag unstoppable and masculinity with responsibility, I believe that my principles align with the organization, what they want to do to the community. For me as a graduate of Eagle Scouting, the highest in the senior scouting, I want to use both organization to perform my advocacy after this pageant, and it is engaging the youths to our community through the scouting movement and with the influence of Misters of Filipinas. I believe that it's really the time now to be included on political talks, societal, and basically the future of our country. And by that, I really want me to be part or to be the man of the world, so I can use the influence, the mass influence, so that I can steer the life of the youth towards a better place on the future and the global standard. And as well as, this is very specific. Including to my advocacy, I really want the government in the future.
Yes.
Yun po.
Very well said.
Okay,
Your
Imos,
advocacy is
next,
very
Imos.
timely and relevant nowadays.
Imos na,
Thank you.
Imos na.
How about your advocacy?
My advocacy is youth empowerment. I choose this advocacy because I want to give youth what the youth is capable of, which is I am a youth, so I want to give the youth that who we are really am. So yeah,
Gen
there
Z.
you go. Thank you.
Teaching young kids to be role model in the society and the school itself. Because I feel like a lot of young kings nowadays is nawawala sa landas. And I'm the walking, how do I say this, like a role model to my fellow young kings out there na kung paano ka-importante talaga kung sino yung sinusundan mo, sino yung talagang ina-idolize mo para maitama ang way na pupuntahan mo. And I believe in that until the day I die, since I've been into it since I was grade 10. So yun lang po. Thank you po.
I have been joining a lot of pageants before, like twice national. Why Mr. So Filipinas? Because ever since when I was a child, I always looking up to be part of Mr. So Filipinas. And now that I am here, I can contain my happiness that I am already part of Mr. So Pilipinas as official candidate. And now that the coronation is approaching, I can contain my happiness that my dream was already, I almost fulfilled my dreams, and hopefully I will be able to win Mr. So Pilipinas because this is my last time to compete in national. Thank you so much.
For swimwear and beachwear competition.